Okay guys, GORUCK light event. I've had a couple people ask me what do I carry in my bag, what's on my bag, what's in my bag. So I've got the 26 liter GR1. Some people go with one band, some people go with like 8. They come in a pair, so I stuck one on either side. Carabiner, it's pretty, but I put a little tether on my gloves, clip them onto the back of the bag, and if I don't need them, I clip them onto the bag. If I need them, I say, hey buddy, will you get my gloves? Gotta have a weight. For me, it's the 20-pound plate. I've got some foam around it to fill up the space a little better and set it, well, not much anymore, sets it up a little bit higher. Hydration bladder, the Source 3 liter, comes out the top of the bag. I've wrapped some paracord on it just to try and make it not black. Hopefully that first sip of water isn't so hot anymore. They want you to also have at least one 1 liter Nalgene. I put 2 on the bag in the mesh side pouches that GORUCK makes for the bag. I put 1 on either side of the bag. I put 16 ounces of water in either bottle, and then I put 2 liters, I don't know, metric and standard. I put 2 liters roughly in the Source bladder, and that I've got my 3 liters. If Cadre really wants to be stiff and says, where's 3 liters of water? I've got 3 liters of water. But I put 16 ounces in the Nalgene's because the non-noon tabs, or 1 tab is for 16 ounces of water. So I'm ready. I can just pop it, drop a tab in a bottle, and in a little bit be ready to go. I carry a couple Cliff bars with me just in case. I'll probably throw some other stuff in there to snack on if need be. Yoga block, throw it in the bottom of the bag. It weighs next to nothing. Gives the bag a little bit of a form. If you're grabbing the bag, it's not just a limp piece of Cordura. May or may not carry some flip-flops because they don't weigh much, and they'll be nice to not be wearing boots after the ruck. So those will be on the front of the bag. 2 koozies, because you need a koozie and your buddy needs a koozie. I get a Ziploc bag, my $20, my headlamp. I'll throw my ID in there, and that I can just grab it and be like, Cadre, here's that stuff. No fiddling around in different pouches. I'll probably wear my heart rate monitor, track it on Strava if Cadre's cool with it. The phone's gonna be bagged up in the bag, but Strava can hopefully run. There's one, might or might not carry. Grab a local map, and if nobody's familiar with the area, at least you can look at street signs and you can have a direction and not get as lost. It's gonna be 90 degrees this weekend, 90 plus, and hopefully raining. I'm not carrying the windbreaker, but I may carry the dry bag because I can roll it up into nothing and stuff it in somewhere. And it's like it's not even there, but if it's just a torrential downpour or whatnot, I've got a dry spot in my bag for phone and whatever. If you have some webbing or cordage, it's not always a bad idea. Cadre might have you carrying stuff, and if you've got some tubular webbing or some decent cordage, you can put a handle on stuff, and that's kind of cool. And that's really about it. I find if I get rid of a lot of this stuff, make a lot of this stuff go away, right there. If I've got that in my water, I'm gonna weigh about 32, 33 pounds. That's the best I can do. You can cut back on some water and hope for a resupply. Now, you'll get a resupply, but will you get a resupply soon enough is the question. And that's it. 5-minute GR1 for the light in a nutshell.